What did the teacher tell you to do at dance class today?
This.
Wait, stop. Stop, are you running on your tippy toes?
Yeah.
Let me see. Is that what she showed you to do? What else did she show you? Twirling? And tippy toes? Anything else?
That's all I did.
That's all you did?
Oh, I just scared the game.
You did what?
I get it.
Show me tippy toes. Don't run. Do it. Okay.